Hello, welcome back to part 3 of this series, where we discuss how to conquer chronic pain. And again, remember that the contents of this video are derived from a TV show. The link to the show I have put in the description, so go ahead and watch that if you haven't done so yet. Without further ado, let's move on to part 3. We will be discussing the tips and tricks to conquer chronic pain from the third guest that was on the show. So the third guest on the show was Trevor. Trevor told us that at one stage he didn't have full-time employment and he didn't really have much of a life. But right now he's not limited by the pain on what he can and what he cannot do. Right now it's more like a background noise for him, and he's able to enjoy his life with his family and his friends. There is only one tip that Trevor has shared with us, because most of the other tips have already been covered by Pete and Mary Lynn. So the tip that Trevor has for us is that ask your doctor about what activities that you would like to do, and ask them whether whether those activities will cause you any tissue damage. Understanding that some of the pain signals will cause him more damage gave him permission to be more active, and also allowed him to be less fearful of the pain signals. If you know that the pain signal from a specific activity will cause you further damage, then you'll be more able to put that in the background. So getting that approval from the doctor, and then going to a physiotherapist and learn about pacing and how to pace at a good rate, and asking the physiotherapist what to look out for if you've been pushing too hard. And all that's going to do is going to give your life back. You'll be able to figure out and find out things that you wanted to do but you didn't think that you can. The advice that Trevor gave is something that I didn't really think about, but now it rings so true to me. I would often go to my physiotherapist that I see twice a week. If there was an activity or something that I want to try that's new, I would ask my physiotherapist whether I can do it or not. Sometimes he will say that just be careful when I'm doing in this position or doing what to look out for. And all that does is it gives me confidence, but it also gives me a sense of relief and sense of freedom, because it's another thing that I can do. It feels great to be able to do more. I just want to thank Trevor for his great advice. And I wish all of you can discover new and wonderful things that you didn't think that you will be able to do. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.